Moving along to this story, businesses in Carolina and Mpumalanga have united to help residents who are struggling with mental health issues that are sparked by daily social ills they have to confront. The campaign also aims to address gender-based violence. Newzroom Afrika's Mweli Masilela has the details.
About 300 people attended the mental wellness workshop organized by business people in Carolina. Among those who participated are young people struggling with drug addiction.
Inkinga lesibukane nayo size sitholakale kulesimo lesikiso. Inkinga yokungabi khona kwemisebenzi siholela ukuthi sigcine sesibhema ama drugs njengoba sibhema ama drugs neloko kusibangela inkinga ngendlela yokuthi sitholakala sesingasahlala emakhaya sihlala la estradini inkinga esibangela yona sitholakala sesingabantu abagangayo abazondwa ngumphakathi ngaleyo ndlela siyalidinga lisizo ngoba kokunye eyintweni eningi asathathe serious.
The problem esinayo as the black nation, we are dealing with a lot of black tax, where you find that in a household only one person is employed with a string of other people that are dependent on him or her, and they cannot have a surplus amount of money to afford professional mental care. If you can look at statistics of a number of people that see psychologists, you'll realize that people from the peripheries have never consulted a psychologist in their lifetime. They have never consulted a psychiatrist. I am sure that even yourself, you've never found yourself sitting in front of a psychologist. So we are trying to bring those mental therapies as well as health-related therapy to the people on the ground.
Professionals who made presentations in the workshop are concerned about the current situation in South Africa. They say more needs to be done to deal with mental health issues.
The problems that which we are finding in people whenever we engage them, we find that our people, they've got a lot of stress that which they are dealing with. So there is a lot of stress that which they are dealing with. There's anxiety as well because of the loss of employments, the failure of relationships and of marriages, and the businesses that are not going well.
We are not taught that we have to work for a marriage. In order for a marriage to work, the two parties have got to work hand in hand. They don't plan for their marriage, hence they don't understand when they are getting divorced, the certain effects that the divorce have, because they are not informed about the type of marriage that they are entering into.
Common issues are people that don't do well in goal setting, planning, people that have issues with procrastinating, and the personal SWOT analysis, where a person does not know themselves, they don't know their strengths.
The message was well received by attendees.
This is a very good initiative. We appreciate it, Gakulu, because it is going to benefit the community that we come from. We know that we have broken communities, we have broken families.
It is our first time having such an event for spiritual and psychological health. It is very much important for the youth to have this event, as it helps us to be able to confide to the people that are professionally trained for such platforms.
I think a lot of us want to keep things to ourselves and not address it with people or just find someone to talk to. And I think the first thing you can do for yourself is to find someone to confide in, let them know what you're going through, and allow yourself to get help.
Those behind the initiative are planning to host similar workshops in other provinces. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mweli Masilela in Carolina, Mpumalanga.